Do you want to know the secret why most AI videos look a glitchy mess of short clips stitched together? It is because we have been stuck in the lottery era of AI, just typing the prompt and then praying for good results. But that officially ends today because ByteDance, the powerhouse behind TikTok, just dropped a massive update to their AI platform Dreamina. They have launched the world's first global release of Dreamina Seedance 2.5, and this is not just a minor tweak. We are talking about a generational leap that shifts AI videos from watchable to actually commercially deliverable. So if you have ever felt limited by 15-second clips or frustrated that you cannot control exactly what happens, let's suppose at 10-second mark of your video, then you need to pay attention because Seedance 2.5 is outperforming models like Sora and Runway by solving the three biggest headaches that creators face, and those are consistency, duration, and control. So today in this video I'm going to show you how this model is redefining workflow for filmmakers, e-commerce brands, and even game designers using their exclusive new tools. The biggest breakthrough here is to move from prompt-based guessing to reference-driven creation. In the past, you would describe a character and hope the AI remembered their hair color. So as I mentioned that you can add up to like 50 references. That includes 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio files. That's like a lot of references. Now let's suppose here I want to add like 3 reference images. So you can see I've just added like these 3 reference images, and then I'm adding this reference video as well. Now the best thing is I can mention all of these references as well, and now you can see here I can mention each and every single reference image and reference video, reference audio, and this way I can give like more context. So Seedance 2.5 actually knows better that what exactly I'm going to create. So this way, before you hit the generate button, your AI model already has the complete context about your video. Now one of the most cool feature that I want to show in here is the smart edit mode. So let's suppose I have just created this video, and this video basically is a vlog, and I want to edit this video. Now rather like giving it a prompt and basically recreating that entire video, there is this smart edit feature. If I just click on this edit video feature, and here I can like choose any certain timestamp. Let's suppose I want to edit anything, let's suppose at 3 seconds or maybe at 4 seconds. Now the best thing here is I can just like maybe mark any of the areas on my frame. Let's suppose this particular area, and I want to edit something in this particular area. I want to add something in this particular area. So I can just like add this to chat, and now I can just like mention maybe add an alien or add anything in here. So now rather than regenerating the entire video using this smart edit feature, only this particular part will be regenerated, and it will specifically edit this particular part of this video. So let's suppose I want to add an alien, so I think maybe in this side. So I can just mention in here, click on add chat, and then mention that add an alien here. So now what it will do, it will add alien in this particular part only. Now I can just like press on enter, and now it will start creating this video. It will basically start editing this video, and there you go. You can see our video is ready, and there it is. Our alien is looking towards us, which is super cool, and yeah, that's amazing. And you can see even now we are on the other side, but alien is still looking towards us from that part of the mountain. So that's amazing. And now in this frame, alien has disappeared because this is a completely different side. So yeah, it just added in that particular portion only, in that particular part only.
तो जलेगी पाने से वो चीज़ और बन है जा सकते हैं जिस दिस फिर से वेरी बेंगे ऑन एंटार्क्टिका वो डिस्पेक्टिंग हुई जिससे मैंने जाएंगे.
Using this AI model, you can totally change the outfits of your character as well. And this is the first model in industry that handles this volume of data, ensuring your IP stays consistent from start to finish. But the real game changer for storytelling is the duration. We are moving past the era of short clips stitching because Seedance 2.5 supports 30-second continuous long-form narratives in a single generation. So no more jumpy transitions or characters changing faces every few seconds. And if 30 seconds are not enough for your storytelling, the official long video mode inside Dreamina can actually allow you to create videos for up to 3 minutes, meaning 180 seconds. This is honestly huge for TV commercials, short dramas, and brand stories where narrative flow is everything. What makes this truly professional grade though is its precision. Dreamina has introduced a native support for time-stamped caption control. You can literally tell AI what exactly should happen at 5-second mark, the 12-second mark, and maybe like 20 seconds mark. All of this you can do like inside one single prompt. So you can mark a certain keyframe and then you can just like explain, maybe change the shirt color or something else. Like just add any specific details that you want to add for that particular mark in the video. For example, you can script something like maybe a woman walking into train station at 0 seconds and then specify that she pulls a red envelope and then specify that she pulls envelope from her pocket exactly at the 7-second mark. AI follows the timeline perfectly. And for the pros out there, the new controllable editing features are going to save you thousands in production costs. They have launched a 3D white model feature that is compatible with professional workflows like Blender and Maya. You can download these plugins for Blender and Maya for both macOS and for Windows, and then you can take a simple clay render or a white model, upload it via exclusive plugin, and Dreamina will wrap it in high-end cinematic texture while preserving your exact camera movement and spatial logic. They have even added AI-powered green screen processing, so you can drop digital avatars into your scenes with perfect lighting and composition. Now, if you make a mistake or you want to change a detail, you don't have to regenerate the whole thing, because Dreamina has exclusive smart editing tool that lets you select up to 5 specific timestamps and 5 specific areas to modify. This is a sophisticated feature, so you will want to check the user guide first to master it. But once you do, it is incredibly powerful. And let's suppose if you want to change character's backpack for a suitcase, or maybe change a daytime scene to sunset without losing the character's pose, you can totally do that now without any issue. And this way, it drastically cuts down on the trial and error costs that actually kill AI projects. And for those working in global markets, the multilingual enhancement is a massive win, because this AI model now natively support over 10 languages, including Spanish, Arabic, Japanese, and Thai as well. It does not just translate text, the lip sync and voiceover align precisely with the target language. And this makes the cross-border e-commerce and international ad campaigns faster and cheaper than ever before. The best part is that you can access all of this right now at the lowest price across the entire market. So Dreamina offers the most powerful creation workflow for just a few cents per second of the video. In fact, they have even reduced the price for Seedance 2.0 down to just $0.66 per second. And if you're looking for the best value for long-term projects, you can save request switching to their annual membership, which will be $87 per year for basic and $201 per year for standard, and also $402 per year for advanced plan. And this way you'll get an extra 40% off specifically for the new Seedance 2.5 model. So to get started, you can simply just head over to the Dreamina workbench, and from here make sure that you choose Dreamina Seedance 2.5 and also look for this Omni Reference tool. This is where you will upload your images and videos to guide the AI. Then you can simply just type in your prompt, you can set up your timestamps, and you can even mention your certain assets as well right here inside your prompt. Then you can just like choose your aspect ratio, choose your resolution, and then choose your type, and then choose your total duration, and then simply just press enter, and your video will be ready in literally just a few minutes. I have put the official link at the very top of the description below, so you can just jump in and try it for yourself. If you want to see the exact prompts I used for the cinematic shots in this video, I have posted full working prompts in the comment section. So just go ahead and click on that link in the description to start building your first 30-second masterpiece. If you have any further questions about Seedance 2.5 or AI video generation in general, so simply just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.